Hey everybody, welcome to the Hodl and Shill Bitsgap daily update. This is day 55, and we're going to jump right in. So our Sunbot profit today is $3,801 for a total of 37.22% overall profit. And that is actually, it looks down a bit from yesterday because yesterday we were at $3,849 for a total of 37.03%. So you'll notice that our overall percentage has gone up, however the value is down. And that is because you'll see that we are running 19 bots now instead of 20. I did that because I'll go to our spot history and show you guys. I closed out our FTM3L bot. It was out of range. It has done 4.27% a day over the 8 days. However, I wanted to free up this capital, this 37.373.99. I wanted to free that capital up so that we can open another bot together, and I will decide that at a later time. We're not going to run it yet, but I did want to free up that capital just in case. So we're going to leave that there, but that is the explanation of why you'll notice that this is down $49. However, our overall profit is still up 37.22%. It's because we took profit on that $300. Okay, let's do this. We're going to do it right now we'll do it as it is. So right now we show our BTC 3L, and that is a change of 8%, and that has made a profit of 7.73% overall in the last 4 days. It is at 1.93% a day for 4 days and 23 hours. So almost 5 days and almost at that 2% mark that we're looking for. Not bad, not bad at all. So we'll actually look at this chart here. We'll zoom out a bit. And you can see it's following the chart just fine. And Bitcoin is down, so we should be able. This is a 3L token, 3 long leverage on KuCoin, so we should be able to ride it back up, and it should do very well where it is. So very good there. I mean, $4 in profit is $4. And this is we only put $66 in there because we took any spare change that we had and started this bot with it. So I think that it's going to be interesting to see where that's at in a month from now. And next we have our Luna 3S. Luna 3S is at 27.11% profit, and that is in 10 days it's doing 2.71%. If you've been following along, our goal is to get these bots to about 2% a day in profit. This is above that goal for the last 10 days, so very, very good there. And we're going to let that keep riding out. So you can see the chart looks great, the way it's following it and doing what it needs to do. Next, Matic 3S. Matic 3S is at $69 in profit. That is 21.62%. Another one at 1.97%. So just above, just under that 2% a day mark that we're looking for. And that is for 11 days and 23 hours. So almost 12 days. And at that 2% mark, this is a perfect chart, a perfect bot that we have running to let it go and do what it needs to do. So very good there. Happy with those results overall. And then we have our Matic 3L. Matic 3L is also at $69. That's only 15.08% profit. And this has been running for about the same time, 11 days and 23 hours. However, this one is a little bit lower, 1.37% overall. We'll take it. Still doing very good. And we're going to keep that running. Very good there. Spell, our Spell bot is out of range. This has been running for 1 month and 3 days. It's at 23.72%, $63 in profit. It is at 0.70% a day for 1 month and 3 days. So very far off from that 2% mark. However, Spell has had an interesting run. This is out of range right now. We'll show you what that means when we look at this chart. So you can see what happened here is this is where our stop trailing down kicked in. What happens is the coin dips and then it goes out of the range of our grid bots, and so it'll stay not trading until it comes back up above this line. So we'll leave that going for now. That's on Coinbase, and we're just going to let it go until it pops back up. Bitcoin's down. The whole market's been kind of down. So overall, not terrible though. $63 in profit. We'll take it. CRO is at $39 in profit, only 7%. This is one of our worst underperformers actually so far, and that is at 1 month and 18 days of 0.16%. Not terrible. I mean, profit's profit, but it's definitely not the best. So we're going to let that go, and we'll see what happens. We'll actually take this time to sort by bot profit and look at a few of our top runners. Of course, Jasmine is still in at number 1 with almost $1,999 in profit. That's 78%. And it's just under 1% a day for 2 months and 30 days. So this is actually going to be breaking down on the 3-month mark, which is just absolutely amazing. Okay, Elon USDT is next at 83.45%, and that has been running for 2 months and 23 days, and that is at 0.99%. Very good there. Shiba is, this is on Coinbase, is at 40%, 0.44%, 2 months and 30 days. Another one on the brink of that 3-month mark. So very good results overall. 78% in 3 months and 83% in 2 months and 23 days. So you're getting the point here. Obviously, we're on day 55 of our follow along, and these were running a bit before we started this. So very good results overall so far. Luna 3L is at 80%, $349, just under 1% for 2 months and 21 days. XYO, this is at $191 in profit, 58.61%, 2 months and 19 days. Very good there. Then we have our only BTC pair that we have running. This has been doing really good. This is our Avalanche BTC pair. It's $162 in profit, which is 27.18%. This shows it at 0.30% a day. However, this is in Bitcoin, so we are stacking sats with this, and Bitcoin obviously has been very volatile. AVAX has been great. Let's look at this chart together, and you can see exactly what I mean. Okay, so we'll zoom out here to show you the full progress. I mean, this is awesome. So we started way down here, and let me zoom in a bit so you get a better picture. We started all the way down here, and you can see it's followed the chart just absolutely beautifully. This has done 2,174 transactions, and we're running 20 grids on that. So you can see here it's just followed it perfectly. All the way up, all the way down. We probably went out of range here, and then it popped back up. So this is a good picture of when things go out of range. This went out of range, it popped back up. Traded here, went out of range again, popped back up. Goes out of range and then popped up and ran up here. We had a huge run, and that's exactly what we've been seeing. And then it came down and corrected, and this is the beauty of running trailing up and trailing down. This is why I highly suggest it. You're able to ride things up and down and make money on the way up and down. So, obviously here we corrected. We've come all the way down here, and it looks like we popped back up just a bit. We'll see where it goes, but you can see when we zoom out, it's followed this chart just absolutely to the T, as it should by the rules, and perfectly. And let's see, we'll go through. So our Floki is out of funds. This has dipped quite a bit. I have bought the dip outside of this bot for Floki. This is just what we have running in the bot, but it's still at 25.06% overall profit, 0.40% a day for 2 months and 2 days. Then also we have our Yushi. These are both running on Gate.io, the only two bots we have running on Gate. This is at 21.67%, which equates to $56 in profit. That's just 0.35%, and that's been running for 2 months and 1 day. Those are the ones that we'll go over through today. Like I said, we did stop one bot, so we have one open. If you have any suggestions for a pair that you think we should run or study together, leave those in the comments below, and we'll go through it. Otherwise, we'll pick one together sometime this week. And we'll start that together on the bot so that everybody can see how that works if you haven't. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. If not, if you've been following along, thank you for every minute that you guys watch, and all the questions, comments, everything that we get engagement-wise. Please follow along, subscribe here, subscribe on our public Twitter, our Twitter channel, and our public Telegram. So those links are all below. And look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks.